am Chittarwan Bandara. I was born on 6 April 1985. I, I got my primary and secondary education from D.S. Senanayaka Center College. I sat for ordinary level examination in 2001. Lavin Kurunagala. I have two brothers and one sister. After doing my ordinary level, I work as the plumber in Colombo. After doing that job in Sri Lanka, I went to abroad to Qatar. I work as the plumber for Al Abdur company in Qatar for 2 years and 3 months. Then I came to the Sri Lanka. After that, I went to Dubai for about 2.5 years. I work as the main work and Dubai University for the Saudi Water Company. And I came to the Sri Lanka. Then I went to Qatar and works as the plumber for the petrol sale company in the JW Marriage Hotel. 2 years and 6 months. I have identity to through those things. I can work in copper gas welding with 3 years. I can I can work in copper gas welding 3 years of experience. I can do any kind of work in the plumber field. Thank you.